Hello everyone, welcome to the Earth Archives. Regarding dinosaurs, everyone may be based on descriptions from movies or other film and television works, but if these are only a small part, or even far from the real situation of dinosaurs, what would you think? Please subscribe to the program before it starts. If possible, please share it with your friends. Please take care of it. In the vast tapestry of Earth's history, few chapters are as captivating as that of the dinosaurs. These majestic creatures roamed the planet millions of years ago, capturing the imaginations of scientists and enthusiasts alike. Yet, amidst the grandeur of their legacy, a multitude of misconceptions has clouded our understanding. While many believe that all dinosaurs vanished in a cataclysmic event 65 million years ago, the truth is far more intriguing. One remarkable lineage of dinosaurs, known as theropods, not only survived but transformed into the birds we see today. Yes, that's right. Dinosaurs are not just relics of the past. They are alive, soaring in the skies above us. As we embark on this journey through time, we will uncover the vibrant reality of dinosaurs, creatures of diverse colors, textures, and behaviors that defy the traditional images of green, scaly giants. The notion that all dinosaurs were fearsome, lumbering behemoths is a simplification of a much more complex narrative. Fossil evidence suggests that many dinosaurs were adorned with feathers, their bodies vibrant and varied. These feathers served not only for warmth but also for flight, allowing some species to escape the catastrophic aftermath of an asteroid impact. But the myths do not end there. As we delve deeper into the Mesozoic era, we find that dinosaurs were far from homogeneous. They exhibited a dazzling array of colors, from brilliant blues to radiant reds. Recent discoveries have shown that preserved pigments in fossils reveal a spectrum of hues, suggesting that dinosaurs were not the monochromatic monsters we often imagine. Some species likely evolved specific camouflage patterns, adapting their appearances to blend seamlessly into their environments, a trait that echoes the survival strategies seen in today's wildlife. Moreover, the textures of dinosaur skin were as varied as their colors. While popular media often depicts dinosaurs with slimy, scaly skin, the truth is that their dermal surfaces were likely much more diverse. Some species may have sported rough, leathery skin, while others could have been surprisingly fluffy. Yes, fluffy. The idea of fluffy dinosaurs might seem whimsical, but evidence suggests that certain theropods were indeed covered in down-like feathers, similar to modern birds. This revelation challenges our preconceived notions and invites us to reimagine these ancient beings as they truly were. The narrative of dinosaurs is a rich and evolving story, one that reflects the dynamic interplay of life on Earth. The Mesozoic era, spanning over 180 million years, is divided into three distinct periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Each era birthed its own unique set of dinosaurs, each adapted to their specific time and environment. Surprisingly, many of the iconic dinosaurs we associate with the period, like the Tyrannosaurus rex and the gentle Brachiosaurus, never coexisted. They were separated by tens of millions of years, emphasizing the ever-changing nature of life on Earth. Additionally, the portrayal of the T-Rex as a lumbering giant, mindlessly chasing prey, is another myth that requires unpacking. Contrary to popular belief, the T-Rex possessed incredible vision, akin to that of modern birds. Its forward-facing eyes granted it binocular vision, enabling it to judge distances with remarkable precision. This predator could see not only movement but also stationary objects, making it a far more efficient hunter than previously imagined. As we delve deeper into the rich tapestry of dinosaur life, we discover a surprising array of sizes and forms. Contrary to popular belief, not all dinosaurs were colossal. In fact, many were remarkably small, some comparable in size to the birds fluttering around us today. Imagine a world where tiny, feathered dinosaurs flit about the underbrush, showcasing a vibrant array of colors, rather than the monochrome giants we typically envision. This is the hidden truth of the dinosaur realm, a story waiting to be told. Among the most iconic dinosaurs is the Brontosaurus, its long neck and tail making it a quintessential representation of these ancient reptiles. However, did you know that the Brontosaurus almost didn't exist? In a twist of fate, this magnificent creature was mistakenly classified as the Apatosaurus in the 19th century, a decision that would leave its legacy hanging in the balance for over a century. It wasn't until 2015 that scientists re-established the Brontosaurus as its own distinct species, reigniting discussions and debates in the paleontological community. Much like the ongoing saga of Pluto's status in our solar system, the Brontosaurus has journeyed through its own tumultuous classification saga. Then there's the ever-fascinating Tyrannosaurus rex, often portrayed as a relentless predator, tearing through its surroundings with reckless abandon. Films like Jurassic Park have painted a picture of the T-Rex as a fearsome hunter, able to sense movement and pounce with deadly precision. But this portrayal is based on myths rather than facts. In reality, the T-Rex possessed extraordinary vision, allowing it to detect stationary prey just as effectively as moving targets. With eyes positioned forward on its head, it had binocular vision that enabled it to gauge distances accurately, a skill that would have made it an even more formidable predator. The truth about dinosaurs extends beyond their size and hunting prowess. The Mesozoic era, known as the Age of Dinosaurs, spanned an astonishing 180 million years and comprised three distinct periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. During this vast expanse of time, different species flourished, evolved, and went extinct, painting a dynamic picture of life on Earth. It's essential to recognize that many of the beloved dinosaurs we think of today never lived alongside one another. For instance, the renowned Stegosaurus and the mighty T-Rex were separated by tens of millions of years, their lives unfolding in entirely different eras. As we explore this ancient world, we encounter the fascinating concept of dinosaur thermoregulation. Many dinosaurs were not just cold-blooded reptiles. Some exhibited warm-blooded or mesothermic characteristics, allowing them to thrive in a variety of climates. This adaptability contributed to their success across different environments, showcasing a complexity in their biology that challenges the simplistic cold-blooded lizard analogy. The iconic imagery of the T-Rex doesn't end with its predatory prowess. Its physical posture has also been the subject of artistic interpretation. Popular culture often depicts the T-Rex standing upright, like a modern-day Godzilla, but this representation is far from accurate. Paleontologists have uncovered evidence that the T-Rex actually had a more horizontal posture, with its tail held off the ground to balance its weight over its hips. The upright stance, while thrilling for Hollywood films, would have been impractical and unstable, further emphasizing the importance of scientific accuracy in our understanding of these ancient beings. In addition to their physical attributes, dinosaurs were also diverse in terms of their social structures and behaviors. Recent studies suggest that some species may have exhibited complex social behaviors, including herd living and parental care, much like many modern birds and mammals. This social complexity adds another layer to our understanding of dinosaurs, transforming them from solitary giants into dynamic creatures with intricate lives. As we piece together the story of dinosaurs, we also confront the incredible advancements in paleontology that have allowed us to unearth these truths. The process of discovering and classifying new species is ongoing, with paleontologists identifying approximately 50 new dinosaur species each year. Each discovery provides a new puzzle piece, helping to fill in the vast gaps of our knowledge about life during the Mesozoic era. When paleontologists uncover fossils, they often rely on a technique known as the shrink wrap method to recreate the appearance of dinosaurs. In this approach, the skin and features are drawn tightly against the skeleton, creating an iconic yet misleading portrayal. This method fails to account for the muscles, fat, and other soft tissues that contributed to the true appearance of these ancient creatures. Thankfully, this outdated practice has been largely replaced. Today, scientists analyze modern animals to understand where muscles would attach to bones, leading to a more realistic representation of how dinosaurs looked. The results are astounding. Dinosaurs were likely more robust and complex than the flat, skeletal images we've come to expect. To date, paleontologists have identified over 1,000 distinct species of dinosaurs, but astonishingly, research suggests that we may have only discovered about 30% of all dinosaur species that ever existed. The hunt for fossils is ongoing, and paleontologists are unearthing approximately 50 new species every year. The excitement surrounding each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the vast diversity of life that once thrived on our planet. Yet, even as we dig deeper, some mysteries remain. For instance, what did these magnificent creatures sound like? It's a question that stirs the imagination, but the reality is that we have no definitive answer. Fossilization rarely preserves soft tissues such as vocal cords, making it difficult for scientists to determine the sounds dinosaurs made. However, researchers can make educated guesses based on the closest living relatives of dinosaurs, birds and crocodiles. By creating models from fossilized skulls, scientists speculate that dinosaurs may have produced low-frequency rumbles or bird-like calls, rather than the thunderous roars often depicted in movies. The allure of dinosaurs goes beyond their size and sounds. It encompasses the dream of resurrecting them. The idea of cloning dinosaur DNA to create our own Jurassic Park is tantalizing, but the scientific consensus is clear: it's not going to happen. DNA degrades over time, and the likelihood of finding intact dinosaur DNA is virtually zero. Even if some fragments were discovered, the challenge of extracting it without contamination would be monumental. The notion of preserving DNA in amber, as depicted in popular culture, is also unlikely. DNA simply cannot survive tens of millions of years encased in amber, adding another layer of complexity to our dreams of bringing dinosaurs back to life. The common misconception that all dinosaurs were massive is misleading. While the T-Rex and Brachiosaurus may grab our attention, many dinosaurs were actually quite small, some no larger than a modern-day chicken. The diversity in size and form speaks to the adaptability of these creatures, allowing them to thrive in a multitude of ecological niches. Furthermore, the social lives of dinosaurs are becoming clearer thanks to ongoing research. Evidence suggests that some species may have lived in herds, displaying complex social behaviors akin to those of modern mammals and birds. This social complexity challenges the image of dinosaurs as solitary beasts, illustrating instead a dynamic and interconnected world. In summary, the story of dinosaurs is one of wonder and complexity. From their varied appearances to their social behaviors, dinosaurs were much more than the monstrous figures often depicted in popular culture. They were a diverse and adaptable group of beings that thrived in a range of environments, leaving behind a legacy that continues to intrigue and inspire. As we uncover more about these magnificent creatures, we gain not only knowledge but a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life that once dominated our planet. So, the next time you think of dinosaurs, remember that they were not merely the stuff of legend. They were a vibrant part of our planet's history, and their echoes can still be felt today. Whether it's the call of a bird or the rustle of leaves, the spirit of the dinosaurs endures, reminding us of the incredible journey of life on Earth.